I'm always looking for new places to ride. And recently, while I was scouring Google Maps, I found something. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a ton to ride here. Now I've got options as far as bikes go, but I think the quiet electric RTR is a little bit better suited, which makes more sense anyways, because none of y'all like the Grom as it is. All right, so the beautiful RTR is the weapon of choice today. Guys, I did just take off the handguards recently. Let me know what you guys think, how this looks. I did forget my gloves today. I feel naked. I got some freaking gnarly bug bites. And then my grip on my Grom has been tearing up my fingers, so that probably won't be great on this. Potential issues today. Cops, or worse yet, Karens. It looks like a big neighborhood, but it's also like a park somehow, so. Okay, and here's a trail. YouTube, this is a closed course, and since it's a closed course, I can do this. But there's some pretty gnarly trails, I think, over here. I do have Supermotos on, but I'm saying like off-road mountain bike trails, so we're gonna check those out. This thing feels so light compared to the Grom. I feel like we could catch some air off this. This is what's so cool about having something electric in addition to gas, guys, because like you can't do this on the ground, not without major complaints from many people. And I think there's a trail entrance right up here. All right, it's been raining a ton. Let's see how this looks. I don't know if these are mountain bike trails, walking trails, what the hell they are. Oh, they're gnarly though, what the hell? What the hell? Will we be able to get back up this? Oh my goodness. Jeez Louise. Where is this taking me, bro? What the hell? Where are we going? Should I scope it out a little bit first, maybe? Yeah, we ain't going that way. And this way it's blocked by a log, so I mean we could easily come over this log, but where does it take us out? It takes you out to the water and some more trails, but it's pretty overgrown. But wow, look at that. See, I told you I would never abandon you. I'll always come back to you. You're not the triple X. Shit, well now we gotta go back up this. Oh goody. I don't know why I thought coming down this there'd be another trail back out, but I think we'd be doing a lot better if we were on dirt wheels. Hooey. Mother fudger. Oh, this is why I don't trail ride. Guys, I promise this is much steeper than it looks. Woo. Feel good here? Yeah, we should be good. So if my reading of the maps is correct, that's only one of many trails around here. So there should be a ton to explore. Is this just a random wall? This thing also feels so powerful. Getting on this after I ride my Grom. It's ironic though, because they're both like very similar bikes in terms of price and physical size and top speed even. But this thing's a lot lighter, a lot torquier. Both have their pluses and minuses. Watch out, birdies. Every person that's driven by me in this neighborhood park type area thing has looked at me like, what the hell? I definitely am gonna need new pads soon. It's crazy how long these formula pads last. I haven't changed them once this whole time I've owned this bike, and I've owned this bike like 4 or 5 months. It's either looks of approval, surprise, or disapproval. Guys, if you're at all considering getting an ETM RTR, consider no more. This bike is just so killer. I do think there's like a couple upgrades you want to do to it. I would say really that what you need to do is just Supermoto wheels if you want to wheelie it, and brakes if you want to wheelie it. Other than that, it doesn't need anything. Like a seat cover's nice, but it's not a necessity. The big bars are nice, but they're not a necessity. It's just like nice to have things, but absolutely not necessary. Let's pull this into a circle. Death spin. There's one other thing you need to get, and that's the chain. But yeah, the chain is most important because the one it ships with is doo-doo. Guys, I am bummed that I missed the LA Mega Ride, but it just wasn't feasible. Wasn't feasible with how far away it was, and I was just super busy with work, so missed you all there. Hope you guys had fun and stayed safe, but I'm excited to see some of the videos from it. I really hope there's not cops around here. Oh wait, there's this trail now that I can go on. I didn't even know this thing was here. Oh, well, we have a wealth of trails out here, huh? Into the freaking corn. Where the fuck am I, dude? was smiling. Ooh, a little dip here. No, off course. I don't even know where I'm going anymore. Circles are the best trick, guys. Let's do a death spin. I don't like the way this asphalt feels. I just had like an intrusive thought. It would suck to get a flat right here. Dude, you know what it is? When I slide my foot and press off, this shit is so grippy. This is like the meat grinder asphalt. This is probably the setting where most of these bikes end up. Little neighborhoods, little neighborhood rippers. Woo! I don't know how we kept that up. There is going to be an upgrade kit for this bike coming out, the Supermoto mod kit, which is going to be a 14 kilowatt capable motor, and it's going to be the Supermoto Noisy Cricket controller. It's the same controller that I used to have on my Razors, so you can like use the app and fully tune and customize everything. I will probably be throwing one of those on the bike, and that will be even more nuts. It'll make it like the Razor, except with all the benefits of the RTR. Damn, we're getting it back now. Is that a trail there? Oh, that was actually decent. Oh, to flat? I obviously am very bad at jumping, if you can't tell. Woo! Nice. People on their decks are like, what the f? Okay. Alright, I scooped out this one here before. This thing jumps so well too. Oh, it's too good. I think this is actually the perfect setting for this type of bike. What a bike. Oh, there's a trail. Oh, there's people. I don't know if it looks a little steep. Yeah, probably not then, but I appreciate it. Just such a fun bike to explore on though. Oh, you know what we haven't done in a bit? Stand-up circles. Otherwise we lose it fast. Here we go. She isn't bad. I can't even imagine what it would be like to circle stand up my frickin' Grom. Bad could it be? How bad could it really be? Oh yeah. I mean, ow! Thorn bush. Okay. Okay. I feel like this is kind of the end of the road though. Life shouldn't be that easy. Oh, that was pretty good actually. All right, let's turn around and try again. How are we gonna keep up our speed with all this frickin' mud? God damn it! Stay in the frickin' stones! God damn it! How long is this gonna take? You are a bitch. You are great and capable. You are capable. Come on. Alright, well maybe the tires aren't that capable. No run up, let's go. It's getting worse. I'm just destroying the track now. Oh, there we go. No, we got it now. Yeah. God. I'm freaking good at this trail riding. God. I gotta check for ticks after this shit. Not too bad. Alright, that's better. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Slow down for this guy. He motioned like he was upset, I think. Everybody is pissed that has a dog out here. I mean, I get it, but I mean, I'm just trying to have some fun. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have plenty of content coming on the RTR. I don't know if we're going to post content on the Grom because I don't think anyone really gives a shit about the Grom. But me, I like the Grom. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.